Hello guys, in this video we are going to test this blower. We have an error with the blower. When you on the AC, the pipe of the compressor will coat, and from the blower it will not blow from the surface of the blower. Right now we discovered that it has a rust on its back. Okay, we have put an oil, as you can see, and front. Now let's give a test and see how it works. As you can see guys, we are giving a test. Now the blower is working fully. As you can see, let me increase it from the panel. As you can see, it's on level 3. Let's take it to high level. As you can see, it's on level 5. It's increased. As you can see guys, it's working perfectly. Let me off it and you see. Now as you can see, it's off. The blower will stop. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. If you find this video value, kindly share and like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.